I babe, just going out, get some money and that. I'm gonna knock on a few doors, dressed as you can see, Guy Fawkes like. I was wondering if I can get any money like instead of going to the cash point. Try and get some money for tomorrow to get some fireworks. So yeah. So when you get home, right? Probably I've got the fire ready out the back for tomorrow, and the barbecue and that, and marshmallows. We can use these forks to have our food and that. But okay, yeah. Just remember, I'm Guy Fawkes. Safe bonfire and everybody.